Hi, Tutu. You got a nice pajama on. Can you take it off? What's that? Something weird, huh? Something weird looking boy. It's going to get the blocks. Yeah. He loves these blocks. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Give me, mommy. Give it to mommy. No? Give me that. No, you don't need that. Okay, put it back in then. Good job. And close it. That's it? No more playing? And put it back, yeah. Push it harder. Push it harder. Good job. What? What? What do you want? New play? More? Good job. What a smart boy. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Can you pick orange? Pick the orange. Orange. If he picked the orange, he's a genius. And he didn't. That's okay. Pick the orange, Tutu. Where is... Okay. Okay. Done deal. Is it bye-bye? Bye-bye to blocks? Okay. Good job. Say bye-bye. Tutu, kiss, kiss. Tutu. Oh. Nice dance. Yeah. I know you broke that. Yeah, that's for the part of the book. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Huh? What? Okay, well, let's go. Okay, bye-bye.